Today, I'm excited to take you on a tour of a new construction development located in Fort Myers. It's called Timbercreek. Let's take a look. To Timbercreek. We are coming into this awesome resort style community in an everyday lifestyle setting located off the very popular Daniel Corridor in Fort Myers. As you can see, as we come through the tree lined entrance, this community will have a 24-hour manned guard gate. That is the plan anyway, because construction is still pretty thick. The gates are currently still open. As the communities get closer to completion, that is when they start to man the actual gates. So we're going to come into this community and just take a look. So as you can see, this is a multi-style home community. They've got side-by-side villas. There are townhomes and single-family homes. The total number of homes in this community is going to be 1,315 front doors by the time the community is fully built out. This is a Lennar community, so all of these homes are going to be equipped with the Everything's Included package as part of the pricing, and feature current and modern finishes such as granite countertops, shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances. These homes do come with blinds in the windows. There's smart home automation and definitely other options that are included when you purchase these homes. One of the great things about this community, it's 654 total acres. There are 12 lakes throughout the community. There are also a lot of really nice preserve lots. You'll get a sense of that as we continue to do our neighborhood tour here to see all the different options that are available in here. Again, now we're kind of driving by some more of the villas. So fences are allowed in this neighborhood. That is not always common here in Southwest Florida. And another thing that we always are looking at and want to point out is there are sidewalks on both sides of the road in Timbercreek. We are starting to see it a little more frequently in the newer communities, but in a lot of our older, more established communities, there are either no sidewalks or just sidewalks on one side of the street. So golf carts will be allowed in this community. There is a CDD. It is a small number. And if you don't know what that is, you can go to our YouTube page. We actually have a video that talks about what is a CDD and what are all the different fees that are part of homeownership in Southwest Florida. The current rental policy in this community is 12 times per year, 30-day minimums. And just as an aside, it's got a pretty liberal pet policy with allowing 3 animals with no weight restrictions. That is another thing that is important to check out when you're looking at real estate in Southwest Florida, because so many of our communities are gated and have separate deed restrictions and rules and regulations. You always want to make sure that your furry friends are going to be allowed, and there's not going to cause any hiccup in your home purchase here in Southwest Florida. They do plan on the security guard to be a roving guard. What that means is they will just kind of at intermittent times rove through the area just to make sure that the community is safe and secure. And there also is a secondary entrance and exit for homeowners only. That is on the east side of the community. So it's always awesome to have a secondary gate in addition. The location of this community is so incredible. Again, I said it's right off of the Fort Myers corridor, really close to Interstate 75, quick jaunt to the Southwest Florida International Airport, just down the road from Fenway South, the spring training of the Boston Red Sox and the spring training of the Minnesota Twins is very close as well. In addition, there are tons of restaurants, shops, everything that you might need. You're just a short drive to Gulf Coast Town Center, to the shopping off of Daniels Parkway, to Miramar Outlets, the Forum, Bell Tower Shops, the Colonial Corridor, and you're really close to the new Pop Stroke that has recently opened by Tiger Woods, and not to mention Top Golf, which is right off Colonial. So we're just taking a quick look at the site map. You can see there all of the lakes and the preserves that are scattered throughout this parcel of land here in Timbercreek. And you can see that they're color coded based on home types. So we've got the villas, the townhomes, the manor homes, the executive series, and the estate series. And we're just taking a look here down one of the roads. So as you can see, there's still a good amount of land to be developed. If this is a community you're interested in, give us a call. We can get you all the information you need about what floor plans are available, what the price points are, what lots are they currently selling, and all that fun stuff, so that you could go ahead and make a purchase. Would love to do a virtual tour if you're not here local. And if you're here in town, they do have models open on site, so we can set up an appointment to come together. Like we always talk about with new construction, it's important to have somebody on your side. So it is important to do that and have them with you when you do your first visit. I am so excited to share with you what the amenities are going to look like in this neighborhood. It is part of what is making Timbercreek one of the best sellers in our area. You can kind of see right now they're in progress. They are not open yet, but it is going to be stunning. Beautiful pool. You can get just a glance at the outdoor bar there. Here's another look at the pool. Inside the clubhouse, there's going to be a playroom. There's going to be an arcade. There you can see the outdoor kiddos water park. So all this information is available through a flip book that's provided by Lennar or through the website, but they will have an indoor basketball volleyball court, indoor dining, outdoor dining, state-of-the-art fitness center. There is going to be so much happening, so much to do here. This is just a look at the outdoor town center, including the pools, the lap pool, the tennis courts, the pickleball courts, and you can see it is well underway. They are anticipating that this facility will be open the end of 2022, beginning of 2023. So that is something really excited for the residents and the future residents of Timbercreek.
You can find us on all the social media channels. You can always text or call us directly at 239-776-6872. We would love to know, what do you want to know about living in Southwest Florida? What questions or topics can we cover for you? You can schedule time using the Calendly link down below directly, or again, reach out to us on any of those other ways. So if you like Timbercreek, but you're just not sure you want to be in Fort Myers, then you should check out what's happening at Verdana Village. New construction community happening off the Corkscrew Corridor in Estero. It is the newest, hottest, best-selling community, and we would love to show it to you.